Okay guys, welcome to the explanation. We're doing the heel toe. There's actually a lot of names for this. I heard it being called clowning. Some people confuse it with sea walking. There's a lot of moves that are interchangeable. The meat of this is try to understand the technique and how to do it correctly. All right, so let's break it down. Slowly, I'm gonna show you what it looks like and I'm gonna give you some tips as to how to make it look good. So first thing we're gonna do is this little hop right there. Now, I see other instructors where they go step touch. It's kind of like da-da, you know? What I want you to try to do is just basically jump right into it, okay? So that's front view. Side view right here, boom, heel and toe, okay? You got the heel right here, the toe right here. If you can't add a twist yet, don't worry. So here are the steps. First thing what I want you to do is jump right here, like this, boom. And the key, the thing that you want to remember is when you jump, you're not standing straight up like this. So my knees are not locked. They're bent. They're nice and bent. Even my front leg, okay? Bend them so it gives you a better balance. So when you first start off, I would highly recommend bringing something like a chair so that you can hold on to your balance. So you have right here, that's the one, all right? So right here, this is probably better view. I got one and then twist, okay? Right when I twist right here, it's more of a pivot. Call it a twist because you're using your entire body, okay? So when you hear me say twist or pivot, you could use them interchangeably. You're going one and, all right? So again, one, twist right here, but I'm gonna use my feet to step right here. So we have heel and then toe, heel and, okay? So you have one and right there. One more time, 7, 8, 1 and. So that part by itself, usually most people get that one pretty good, all right? So what I would do is I'll teach my students to go the opposite way. So get used to this side. You have one and I use my arms, the hips, to get that twisting going. Otherwise, if you kind of just do it like this, it's a little bit harder to get that momentum to twist, all right? So we have one and two right there. We jump right into the two. The difficult part, most beginners can't get that, so this is the tip, this is the gold nugget. Use something to stabilize your balance, because if you're falling all over the place, you're not going to be able to remember what to do, because you're just going to try to catch your balance. Use your hand, catch yourself, one, and right here, that's the jump right here. Here to here, okay? So one of the gold nuggets I can give you guys is just practice jumping from here to here, okay? Without losing balance. Now, if you need to hold on to the chair, go ahead and do that. Once you get that, get your hand off of it here. Jump from here to here. Jump, twist. Now, in the move, we actually have some good angles right there, okay? But for practice, just get a small angle right here. Jump, twist a little bit, jump, twist a little bit, jump, twist a little bit, jump, twist a little bit. Notice how when I do that twist right here, it's just a pivot. It's not that big step that I did, okay? So use all of this. Use anything that can help you to get to the goal that you want, all right? And again, I don't know, some of you might comment, say, hey, this is not right, this is not wrong. Put it down. You know, we're here to make each other better. So whatever tips you guys got, it's all good. I'm not trying to get into the nomenclature of things because I've seen this move done different ways. I've seen it done right here where it's and one and two. So different parts of the beat. It's all good. Right now, the key is just to get the beginners that want to get this move, don't know how to get started. Like I said, the main key is the balance. If your balance is all over the place, you're going to give up. So my thing is try to help you guys. Don't give up. Comment on the drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you got frustrated with this move, how many times did you try this move, if you got this move, how long did it take for you to get this move, all right? So once again, you have, for this drill only, for this exercise, again, people count different ways, but for me right now, when I teach my beginners, it's one and two and. Notice this part right here, and this is what I want you guys to break down and just practice as well. Okay? So if you get to this position right here, right when you jump right here, just practice back and forth, back and forth. Now, the key is if you wear shoes that are very sticky, like if you got a brand new basketball shoes or brand new shoes that have really good traction, that's not good, because you need something that gives you a good, a slick bottom where you could pivot. If it's something too sticky, you're gonna have a hard time. You might injure yourself. So don't do that. I would say rather take your shoes off and put on socks. All right. But then again, you might slip and slide depending on how slippery your floor is. So be very careful. Use your own judgment. Here we go. One right here. One or one with the jump. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. Basically, we're just repeating that. The people that got it is because your balance is good. The people that are failing is because your balance is not good. Use the chair. Use it until you don't need it. So what I would say is this. You have 1 and 2 and 3 and, right? That's good. Notice I'm using 2 hands. Now I'm going to try with 1 hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now I'm going to just use like maybe 1 finger, because this way I'm using more of my own balance. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now try no hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and. If I need to grab on, it's right there. Okay? That's how you get better. And then maybe try this side. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? Another key tip. When you do the hop, right here, 1 and right when you jump here, you're not trying to go real high on your hop. You kind of just right here, so the hip doesn't go up high. Does that make sense? It's just a quick hop this way, kind of like how boxers would box, right? Boxers generally they don't try to get height. They're just shuffling the feet real fast, and basically that's what we're doing. Shuffling your feet real fast, exchanging them. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. If there's any more questions, definitely drop it in the comments down below and let me know how you're doing with this move. It's a really, really fun move, It adds a little hop, so obviously you kind of hear me breathing. So the hopping gives you a little bit of that cardio workout, and also that twisting or pivoting. It's very, very important that your shoes are, slick enough where the pivot is good, because otherwise, if you got some really sticky shoes, it's really hard and it's really easy to injure yourself. So be aware of that. All right, guys. Utilize this move to incorporate into other moves. So check out my other tutorials. See how you can incorporate this move into other footwork moves. All right. So this is one of the fun moves: the heel toe, clowning, clown step, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it treetop. It don't matter. That's nomenclature. Okay. Get and understand the move and enjoy it. That's the key. Enjoy this move. Have fun with it. Share with your friends. Have a party with it. All right, guys. I'm Seach. Hope you guys have fun, learn a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.